What's up, guys? 24 is going to over, and I think only 1 hour left. I'm recording this video. I'm gonna post right now, and I'm gonna say that I'm gonna give three scenario. You didn't learn any skill, and you're trying hard. You learn a skill, you're not getting any results. You are making money. You learn a skill, and you're grinding right now. So many people are in first step and second step. I don't know what to say to third step right now. I'll give some value, but if you're in like first and second step, what to do? If you're in first step, like you didn't know what to do, you don't know anything about sales, you don't you don't know any skills till now, please start and learn a skill right now. And like after learning a skill, like it can be sales, it can be corporate, it can be marketing, it can be editing, anything. Just learn a skill. Like it can be marketing, like also lead generation also, but please learn a skill. And if you are like learn a skill, but you don't know how to get clients. Like if you know sales, it's a skill, right? You know a skill, and you don't getting any clients. I will say go and find clients from Instagram. Don't find clients from Facebook first of all, because Facebook is full of scammers. Full of scam. I got scammed. Man. I got scammed. Uh, they told me that they were gonna pay me, but I completely got scammed. So don't find clients from Facebook. Find clients from Instagram, and say them that uh, I'm gonna close your leads, and like say them create a Loom video by recording yourself. Like I'm recording myself only in the camera, and try to say like everything I can help you. I have this. If you don't have any experience, also tell them I have any experience, but I learned from a best uh, mentor in this world, in the space, and I'm gonna give the best service in the space. Like tell them, and just tell the truth, and you can move forward. So that's I will say. And second thing I'm gonna say, if you are like if you like you didn't earn any money, but you're trying to do that. You are not in set, but you're trying to do that. That's a win. That's a win, my friend. So that's a win. And I'm third scenario, I'm gonna say you're earning money. So please make more, grind. You can make on more money also, and try to spend time with your families, because sometimes you need to spend time. Because why are you doing this? You are doing because you are doing for your family, right? So try to spend time with your families. And I will say best of luck for this year, and make this year the best year in your life. And happy new year.